Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saifa. Today I am posting a new video, and yes, I know I haven't been posting for a long time because I was in India for 20 days having a lot of fun there, and we went there for a quality amount of time and we really enjoyed our time there, although there were some celebrations happening and stuff like that. But I'm finally posting again today, and today we are going to be going to the Winter Light Festival in Canary, Wharf. And today is the last day for the Winter Light Festival to happen. And now, so now here I'm at Wembley Stadium Station in Wembley Park. I'm waiting for my train to come. After we get down at our stop, we'll have to change 2 more trains from that stop to get to Canary Wharf. And I'll talk to you guys more about this in the train. Okay, bye. So guys, now I'm in the train and I'm going to get down at London Road, and then from there I'm going to take 2 more trains to get to Canary Wharf. Hey guys, this is the Elizabeth line train. So from Marylebone, we took Bakerloo train to get to Paddington, and this is the Elizabeth line train. We're going to go to the second one. That is going to be coming in 4 minutes. So you guys, this is the 3rd train, and this is the Elizabeth line, and we are going to get down at Canary Wharf, where all the winter lights are going to be, and we're going to go to that specific place in Canary Wharf.
I don't know what is up, bro. But I got up, bro.
It's just like gardens here. Yeah.
Here, and I said something about I said something about a black box or something. And I'm thinking about that.
I think this one is
This is like a light that spins around with a wheel.
Sophie?
It's a non-stop color change. That's new wheel.
Roll it.
Keep spinning it. Why? You guys over here?
For one round and
after the link down.
Behind me there's a light spider. Up, they put it up lights. That is so cool. And it's so neat. Over here, you guys, there are flowers on the ground. They are like rainbow lighted up flowers.
Look, we just went off. You just went off. Just got it.
So you guys, this is the winter light entrance. For level 7, that is also as no, it's not level 7.
Meteo a volta perché puoi essere cavata a scivolare.
So you guys over here, it's really really cold water, and on like this other side of this, I'm not really sure what it is, but on the other side of it, look at that tall skyscraper over there. I can't even count how many floors there are. Oh my god. And this one,
Yeah, yeah.
That's fine. No, I won't do it. Don't.
these little many of them, and they're all like those are different types of like techniques. For example, that the circle one that I showed you guys was tubing made, and they're like, and it has like base and yeah. So you guys can see all the buildings there and there. Here on the trees, they've got like some lights on that you actually like, because that's really really nice, and they've already got like strings of lights on their trees. That looks so good. We hear like some of the lights shine from like time to time, and like you have the opportunity to take the video of it. It's so like beautiful. Cool. There are also like lights around the boxes. You guys, look at that light stringy combination over there. There's like, it's like a shield for like getting. So you guys, over here you can see some of the planet Earth. It's like a light type of planet Earth.
It will take vertical action to see this. It will take vertical action to see this. Nature is one of the most...
You can look after my gloves.
It's over here behind me. There's like a cool waterfall. It is totally cool. I wonder how the water feels. I think it's really, really cool. Oh, that's crazy cold water. Look at it's so pretty here, you guys. It is super duper pretty. Whoa, look at that! I wonder if that's a dinosaur head.
Nice, no?
Hey guys, in the water there is smoke, like rainbow.
Wow.
Yeah.
You don't need to put that money.
It looks like a big bus coming in the water. So you guys, in the water there's like smoke coming. Well, they're calling the smoke down. And it looks like a big bus coming in the water. And the fragments of the water is really, really nice. And look at the smoke in the air. It's like going all over the place on the water and the air. So you guys, over there, like in the water, you guys can see like a black line. And there's like black things in the water that are like adapters. And yeah, that's where the smoke comes out of. And how do they change color? Is that when they keep going through the water, they change color by the lights in the pool over here. Like, not pool that you can swim in, but
Chalo.
so you guys over here.
Ladies, keep moving, please. Guys, keep moving, please. Thank you. Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Guys, keep moving. Keep moving.
Yes, the lights are really, really pretty. And if you guys didn't come here, next year you guys also have a chance to come here to enjoy. It's fun. And the lights change. It's blue color. What's wrong like the lights they like turn on like in a different pattern, and like they go to different colors, different like you guys, they are LED lights. Very, very bright LED lights, if I have to say so myself. They look so cool. So you guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm so happy that I got to come here because I had the absolute best fun. And the most fun that I had in like, there's like this place, there's like a mini walkway that had like light strings on it. That's the best place I had fun. And there's light up benches here, and yeah, I sat on and took some pictures. I'm going to show you some of the pictures at the end of the video. Let me show you how. They are so cool. Bye.